Hey y'all, welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. Got a cracked screen on my S4 Session GoPro 4. Lost my 5. Mount broke. Anyway, welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel with another episode of Dickin around in the shed. Maintenance on the lawnmower. Blade change. Yep. So run that intro while I go get the mower. This probably don't look safe, but it's probably not. We're gonna do it anyway. So I got a 5/16. Take these blades off. Let's see here. These off. I hope so. And got one off. Let's get that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Can't get. Need a shorter impact. Just a little bit taller in it. There we go. Ooh, string. I must have run over a rag. There it goes. All right. Maybe if I did it with a smaller density of deep wheel, I'd have enough room. Alright, there you have it. yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I kind of put one of the blades on upside down. Hope y'all caught that. I did. I gotta go change it, but y'all don't need to see that. Stay safe. Catch you later. One more thing. Notice how I made 2 passes blowing away from the road? That's the proper way of cutting grass so you don't blow your clippings on the road. Now we'll see you later. Catch you on the next one.